Hello, my name is Ciira Maina and I teach electrical engineering at Dedan Kimathi University of Technology, and I'm also part of the organizing team of Data Science Africa, and I'm really happy to be joining you for this UmojaHack. Zindi and DSA have collaborated over the years as part of the AI ecosystem in Africa, and I think you'll agree with me that AI holds great promise for us on the continent in areas such as agriculture, in allowing us to actually grow enough food, in exploiting the resources that we have in an efficient manner, and also in areas such as environmental conservation, where we really need to take care of the resources we have and exploit them and use them sustainably. It's an exciting time for us in this community of AI and data science, because it's permeating industry. A lot of research labs are coming up on the continent, and I think for all of you participating at UmojaHack young students, I think the future is bright. There are a lot of opportunities coming up, and it will be important for you to also participate vigorously in the AI ecosystem, collaborate with others across industry, in academia, and let us build all these solutions. And I'm really wishing you a good time as you compete and as you build solutions that have relevance in our context and have impact on people's lives.